Hey, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Java and a built-in method in Java to convert a binary number to a decimal number. Now, the last video I put up, I did show you the hand conversion of how you'd convert a binary to decimal and back. I'm going to show you how you can do it the easy way with Java. All right, so I have this file. It's called java.util.Scanner, giving you a hint. And I've created a public class, java.util.Radix. I'm going to use my IDE to create the main method. That's nice. And I'm going to create a new instance of the scanner class. I'm going to do scanner, and let's do Alt-Enter. So it imports java.util.Scanner. I have to import that. I'm going to call this SC, and I'm going to say equals new scanner system.in. Okay. All right. And now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to do SC, and I'm going to type useRadix, and it knew I was thinking about it apparently. And I'm going to put in 2 because we're taking in binary and we're going to print out decimal. Okay. So now I'm going to create an integer. Let's say we have an integer, we'll call it binary num, and we'll set it equal to sc dot, and then we'll use this method nextInt. Okay, you know it's a method because it has these parentheses here, just like useRadix. Okay, so now let's print it to the screen. Okay, so I'm going to just use a shortcut to do system.out.println, and then we'll do binary num. Okay, and we might want to make this program, a little bit user friendly. So I'll do a system.out.println and say something like enter a binary number. Okay, and so I think that's good. And now it's going to print out a binary number to the screen. So let's run this program. Let's build and run it. So it's going to take a minute. You see it's building here. I don't know if you can see that progress bar in the video. And we should have it coming real soon. Might be taking a little bit longer because I'm recording. Okay, so here we go. It says enter a binary number. So I'm going to enter 101, which is 5 in binary. And before I hit enter here, let's talk about why it's 5. So this is 1 times 2 to the 0 power, so it's 1, plus 0 times 2 to the first power, which is 0. So 1 plus 0, plus 1 times 2 to the second power, so 1 times 4. So we have 1 plus 0 plus 4 gives me 5. So once I hit enter, this should output 5. And it outputs 5. It worked! Nice! All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a like, as it will help get out to more people. And also consider subscribing, as it really does help the channel grow. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.